I really love working in services.
I just love ABB.
ABB Electrification Service Division. When I was a kid, I was in my dad's car just riding down the road, and I was just amazed just looking at the utility power lines, looking at the type of insulators that are on them. I always wondered every time it rains, how come it never arcs over? Hi, I'm Johnie Watkins. I'm a senior field engineer for ABB Electrification Service Division. I've worked at ABB now close to 19 years. I do work with the protective relay systems as well as the automation for the switchgear. In a nutshell, my job is to keep the power on for the customers and keep the lights on. If they got any problems, night, day, anytime, as soon as they call me, I'm on my way there to help. The biggest challenge for the customer to overcome is actually their operations. Any cease of operation is detrimental to their product. I'll make sure the product keeps going. We find solutions to upgrade the equipment and make it more efficient. We always do the certain maintenance procedures, the testing, and repetitive motion to make sure we actually get it right. Why ABB? Just like football, you always want to be on the best team. My passion is actually football. Usually the head coach or the defensive coordinator. ABB and actually football, it's teamwork. Every person has their role. Any type of maintenance, anything like that, it's just like running an offensive defensive play. Everybody has a little pride in everything they do. Pride in my work is that the customer is satisfied, the customer is happy.